Hi guys, today I'm going to be talking about future management challenges and trends. I've chosen this topic as one of the four topics for my subject called Contemporary Challenges for IT Managers. So, what's future management challenges and trends? In my opinion, I would say they are basically the management areas which are defined as a process of administering and coordinating resources effectively and efficiently in an effort to achieve the goals of the organization. The role of the management has been evolving with time and changes, but the core functions revolve around planning, leading, organizing, and controlling. The future of management in the constantly changing business environment will be more complex and critical in the coming times. Managing organizations in the future can pose many challenges, so I would like to explain to you guys some of the challenges in future that the projects could be facing in terms of technology, which means keeping pace with technology is not only expensive but very difficult and tiresome as well. Enforcing new technologies requires staff retraining and, in some cases, making employees redundant. Managing technological trends according to the needs of the competitive market is very challenging, and it would be difficult at every stage if the employer would require retraining in any equipment or technology that has been brought into the organization. Ethics basically it deals with moral concepts. In order to be successful, earn profits, survive in a competitive world, temptations force you to control the line of ethics. Globalization. Big threat to domestic economy consisting of consumers and producers. The danger of losing identity it means. How to involve them and manage cultural differences is a challenge and for multinational enterprises. Cultural influence communication and etiquettes, but business need to communicate with their customers. Whatever the consumers and producers may think about it. Diversity of culture is everywhere, but to manage it, that's the main job. Hence, it's necessary to adopt to the cultures of nation they operate in, which is highly complicated process that involves in-depth research, time, money, and human resources as well. For instance, Starbucks had to separate their coffee shops into two sections for men and ladies in the Asian market in line with their culture. It's not an easy task for them to do. So, next is competition. Globalization has given to cutthroat competitions and poses great threat to work ethics as well. Diversity. To manage people from varied cultures, demography, and to understand their perspective. So, one more challenge that I would like to explain to you is PESTLE. It's basically spelled as PESTLA. It means organizations are faced with a variety of external factors that provide potential opportunities and threats for short-term and long-term success in any given environment. Although the above challenges that I've explained to you can pose a great threat to the business, but at the same time they create new opportunities as well. And it is significant to understand for the companies if they want to succeed in any project area. To summarize, I would just like to say that managing challenges and trends in a progressive environment of the organization would definitely be tricky. Not only the skills are required, but a lot of work is required as well. Knowledge is required and a courageous leader, which means as I said earlier, the project manager or the leader as you would call it keeps the objectives of the project in mind so that they could design and develop an effective plan and give the desired results to the organization, which means enhancement of performance, bringing the company at an advantageous position.